In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a payroll journal in Xero. We're going to record a straightforward payroll accrual, recognizing your wage expense for the period and creating a matching liability that you'll clear when you pay staff. Before we start, make sure you have access to Xero and that your chart of accounts includes an expense account for wages and salaries and a liability account for wages payable. If your organization uses slightly different names, that's fine. Just pick the equivalent accounts. From your Xero dashboard, open the accounting menu. In that menu, choose Manual Journals. This area is where you create journal entries that don't originate from invoices or bills. Next, select New Journal to open a fresh journal form. At the top, add a clear narration. Think of this as the fill-line that explains why this journal exists. For example, payroll accrual for the month. A descriptive narration makes audits and future reviews much easier, especially when you or a colleague come back to this entry later. Now, set the journal date. Use the last day of the pay period you're accruing. This date controls which month the expense appears in and helps ensure your profit and loss and balance sheet reflect the correct period. Using the correct date also makes it easier to match this accrual with the actual wage payment when it leaves your bank. In the first journal line, select the wages and salaries expense account. This line records your payroll cost for the period. Enter the amount as a debit. The debit increases your expenses and will flow through to the profit and loss. In the second line, select the wages payable liability account. Enter the identical amount as a credit. This creates a short-term liability that represents what you owe to staff at period end. The debit and credit must be equal so that the journal balances. If the totals don't match, Xero will flag the entry as out of balance. So double check the figures against your payroll summary. Take a moment to review the narration, the date, both accounts, and the amounts. Accuracy here prevents reporting discrepancies later. If your organization tracks departments or cost centers, confirm any tracking fields you use are applied consistently to both lines. When everything looks correct, click Post. Xero will create the journal, increasing your wage expense and setting up the payable. You'll now see the expense in your profit and loss for that period and the liability on your balance sheet. When you pay staff, you can clear that liability with the payment entry, keeping your accounts tidy and your reporting accurate.